Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a rear suspension on a 2011 Mercedes Sprinter, the NCV3 variant. Fairly quick job, let's go get it done. So today we're going to do the rear shocks and the sway bar links. Sway bar links much easier done with the vehicle on the ground, so there's no torsion on the sway bar. They're a lot easier to install, so we're just going to go ahead and do them before we leave the vehicle, and then once that's done we're going to go ahead and put the new shock on. Now we tighten them up and let's go change the shock. Two bolts hold the shock, 21 mil, 18 mil at the bottom. And the new shock going in. And that's a job well done, guys. Don't forget to get yourself a beer with the amount of money you just saved doing this in your driveway. If you have any questions, by all means, comment below. If you like what you see, click a thumbs up. If you want to see more, click subscribe. The next thing I'm going to do is the front suspension on this. It's a little bit more involved, but this truck does have a knocking sound in the front, so it should be a little bit more rewarding as well.